Imagine a world where it rains glass sideways. Or a planet so hot, it's literally evaporating. These aren't scenes from a sci-fi movie. These are real planets, and they're just a tiny fraction of the cosmic wonders we've found out there. Today, we're blasting off to tour the most extreme, bizarre, and downright terrifying exoplanets ever discovered. Buckle up, because the universe is way weirder than you think. Let's start our journey with a true house of horrors, HD 189733b. From a distance, it looks beautiful, a deep, inviting azure blue, just like our own Earth. But get any closer, and you'll regret it. This planet's stunning color doesn't come from oceans. It comes from an atmosphere laced with silicate particles. And with winds whipping around at over 8,700 kilometers per hour, 7 times the speed of sound, this planet has a unique weather forecast: sideways rain of molten glass. Yes, you heard that right. Sharp, deadly shards of glass flying horizontally at supersonic speeds. This gas giant is also tidally locked to its star, meaning one side perpetually faces its sun while the other is in permanent darkness. This creates a massive temperature difference, driving those insane winds. So, while it might be the prettiest blue marble you've ever seen, it's definitely not a vacation spot. Next up, let's visit a planet that's literally on fire. KLT 9b holds the record for the hottest exoplanet ever found. It orbits so incredibly close to its star that its dayside temperature skyrockets to over 4,300 degrees Celsius. That's hotter than the surface of most stars. In fact, it's so hot that molecules like water and carbon dioxide can't even exist. They're ripped apart into their base atoms. The planet is a gas giant, larger than Jupiter, but it's being blasted with such intense ultraviolet radiation from its star that its atmosphere is boiling away into space, forming a tail like a comet. Scientists estimate it's losing billions of kilograms of mass every single second. KLT 9b is a world being consumed by its own sun, a spectacular, yet violent, cosmic death. It's a stark reminder of the brutal power of stars and the fragile nature of planets that dare to orbit too close. From the hottest, let's travel to one of the darkest. Meet Trace 2b, also known as the Dark Planet. This Jupiter-sized gas giant is less reflective than a lump of coal, absorbing over 99% of the light that hits it. If you were floating nearby, you'd see a ghostly, dark sphere, a literal void in space, perhaps with a faint, deep red glow. We see our own Jupiter because its clouds reflect sunlight, but Trace 2b's atmosphere is full of light-absorbing chemicals like vaporized sodium and potassium. It's so dark, astronomers are still puzzled about its exact composition. It's tidally locked, and while the dark side is still incredibly hot at around 1,000 degrees Celsius, the lack of reflectivity makes it one of the eeriest and most mysterious objects we've ever seen. It's like staring into a black hole that isn't a black hole. Now for something truly precious. 55 Cancri E, nicknamed the Diamond Planet. This super-Earth, about twice the size of our planet, orbits its star in a blistering 18 hours. Its proximity to its star makes its surface incredibly hot. But what makes it truly special is its potential composition. Early models suggested that this planet, rich in carbon and under immense pressure and heat, could have a crust made of graphite and a thick, underlying layer of pure diamond. Imagine a world where mountains are made of diamond and the ground glitters with wealth beyond comprehension. While more recent studies suggest the composition might be a bit more complex, the possibility that a significant portion of this world is diamond remains. It's a literal treasure chest of a planet, a tantalizing glimpse into the diverse chemistry of the cosmos. What about a planet that shouldn't even exist? Let me introduce you to PSRB 1620-26b, affectionately nicknamed Methuselah. At an estimated 12.7 billion years old, it's the oldest known exoplanet, more than twice the age of Earth. It formed when the universe was still in its infancy, only about a billion years old. What's even stranger is its location. It doesn't orbit just one star, but two, a pulsar and a white dwarf. It resides in a dense globular cluster, a chaotic environment where stars are packed together. How a planet could form and survive in such a turbulent, ancient environment for so long is a profound mystery. Methuselah challenges our understanding of planetary formation, suggesting that planets might have been forming much earlier in the universe's history than we previously thought. Let us switch gears to a world that feels like it's straight out of a fantasy novel. Gliese 436b is a Neptune-sized planet that completely defies the laws of physics as we know them on Earth. It's located incredibly close to its star, giving it a surface temperature of around 439 degrees Celsius. At that temperature, you'd expect any water to be a vapor, a gas. But on Gliese 436b, it exists as a solid. We're talking about burning ice. How is this possible? The planet's immense gravity is so strong that it compresses the water molecules, forcing them to remain solid despite the scorching heat. So you have a planet covered in an exotic, high-pressure form of ice that is simultaneously on fire. It's a mind-bending paradox, a world where the states of matter behave in ways we can barely comprehend. Our final stop is a truly haunting world. K2-18b has been making headlines because it is a super-Earth located in the habitable zone of its star, and scientists have detected water vapor in its atmosphere. This sounds promising, right? A potential water world? Well, maybe. But there's a twist. More recent data from the James Webb Space Telescope detected something else, dimethyl sulfide. On Earth, this substance is almost exclusively produced by life, specifically phytoplankton. This is a tantalizing hint, but not proof, of life. However, K2-18b is likely what's known as a Hycean world, a hot, water-covered planet with a hydrogen-rich atmosphere. The pressure and temperature at the bottom of its global ocean would be so extreme that it would be unlike any ocean on Earth. Whether life as we know it could survive, let alone thrive, in such conditions is one of the biggest questions in astronomy today. From glass storms to diamond worlds, from burning ice to planets older than time itself, the universe is a gallery of extremes. Every new exoplanet we discover pushes the boundaries of what we thought was possible. These bizarre, terrifying, and beautiful worlds aren't just cosmic curiosities, they are clues in our grand quest to understand our place in the universe and to answer that ultimate question, are we alone? The cosmos is vast and full of wonders, and we've only just begun to scratch the surface. Thanks so much for joining me on this incredible journey across the galaxy. Which of these extreme planets blew your mind the most? Let me know down in the comments. And if you enjoyed this cosmic tour, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next adventure into the unknown. Until next time, keep looking up.